Hey, it's Becky for Patchwork Posse, and today we are going to sew a cover for your travel tissues. Those little small travel tissues that you get at the dollar store. They're perfect for giving as gifts, popping in your sewing bag, or taking on a retreat and in your purse. The way we are going to sew it this time is we are going to make it so there's pieces that are layered and it's kind of in a twist fashion. It's a similar technique that I've used for a hot pad as well. All right, we are going to make a super cute tissue cover, a Kleenex cover. And this is kind of just the travel size Kleenex that you can get anywhere. And they don't look that great. And then this plastic covering always comes off and then the tissues always fall out. So we are going to make a cover for this. This method only has, you only need to sew once. And so it's so quick and easy. I have 5 pieces of fabric here. So I've got 3 pieces that are cut out of my main fabric, and then I've got 2 pieces that are kind of my coordinating fabric. One of these fabrics you just need to set aside because this is going to be the bottom of the tissue holder. These other pieces you need to fold and press in half. So for 2 of these pieces we are going to fold them and press half like this. And these other 2 pieces we are going to fold in half the long way, and we are going to press them like this. So you want wrong sides together. So with that done, now we're going to assemble. First, I'm going to take a short piece and I'm going to place it so the top and side edges line up. The fold is towards the center. So on all of these, the fold is going to be towards the center. So I'm going to take a horizontal piece and line that up. I'm going to take this other shorter piece and line this up. And then my last piece, place this on here, but I'm going to lift up this first piece, place this down, and fold this back over. So now what we're going to do is pin this all together. So we don't want anything to shift. We might share it all stays correct and in place. And we are going to take this over to the machine and you are going to stitch all the way around this. You do not need to leave an opening for turning. That is what the center area is. So just stitch all the way around. With this stitched, you need to make sure that you flip it over to the other side and make sure that you have cut all of the sides. So as you can see, things get shifted and moved around, and so your stitching might need a little adjustment, or you might need to go back and do another line to make sure everything is stayed together. So it's not a big deal. It is pretty forgiving, but just make sure that on both sides you have all of those pieces correctly sewn. And I am going to trim my corners. Now, if you want, you could take pinking shears to these edges because they are raw. All right, so with my corners trimmed, now we are just going to turn this right sides out. So we're just going to put our fingers in that center hole. We're going to grab our corners and pull them through. And we're going to just continue to do that and pull this all so it's right sides out. We are going to push our corners out. So if you have a handy little purple thing, you can grab that and shove those corners out with that. That makes it super simple. All right. Look how cute this is. So you can use the same fabric if you want. I use 2 different fabrics, so I've got an alternating pattern here. But that is our finished tissue holder, and now we can just open this up and stick our tissue container in there. And there we go. So it stays closed when it's not used. Your tissues won't fall out. You can toss these into your purse, your wallet, your sewing bag, whatever. And then it's super easy to just go and grab what you need inside.